gonna do a run through. This time it's gonna be a little different. It'll be all command line. There's no GUI. And what I want to demonstrate is I actually create a command line with the internal regular expression Java engine in PepMan, which I'll be reusing for multi-platform for parallel processing. And so it's better to just break into little components because I will be doing a little bit more work on multi-platform, which is parallel processing, and the whole design over it. It's I can make a GUI to build around it, which is really good. It's going to be very powerful because the GUI is like X Windows and it could be remotely, but then the underlying data processing is entry. So I could just instead of just using a complex series of computers distributed over the network, I could just compute one entry statically as well as dynamically. If it's statically, then it's just command line. Dynamically, it means like let's load everything in GUI and do it in runtime. And I I integrate it and I integrate with the build system. So the build system works with command line and it uses the regular expression to to uh, to process the next uh, plastic tornado version. So D drive. So this is how it looks like. After I spin the build, it's called spinning the build, I guess. It creates a directory right here, right? So this is the latest directory. It was done last night, 4 p.m. And the latest is 1.0.1.12, and the zip file is the same thing. So right now is if I run the build, it's going to do a 1.0.1.13. Normally it's like I had to use cut and paste and create a directory manually and do it. So this one it's just one command. It's gonna create a new directory, call ant script, compile it, and then package it all in one command, which is very nice. But more importantly, I'm able to interface directly into the engine for PepMan, using command line. So with that, let's give it a go. PTR is for Plastic Tornado release, and then full number three right here, or number three right here. It's gonna just do the whole thing by using ant to compile right now, and then and I actually finished compiling, is zipping it and zipping it and creating a hash file, and there you go. I open up this thing to kind of paste the hash entry. Still, I could redirect it to a file, but I haven't figured out how to do that. So basically, I just cut and paste the latest build information for GitHub, and then there you go. So let's see, 30th 9 a.m. Right, 12 one dot. Okay, let me see. It's 23 9 a.m. 30. Well, 1.0.1.30 right here. This is the entry 919 right here. So now I do another one, a second rev, and it should be 31. So I'm gonna do basically uses regular expression to parse the next one, three. So this is gonna be 31. It's gonna do a build again and package everything. This is 31 right here. So this is 31. There you go. 31 right here. And let's double check. 31 right here at 9:21 a.m. 31 9:21 a.m. There you go. So with that, I will get to do more parallel processing in entry for the parallel virtual machine. That'll be the next step up. Great. Thank you.